Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be addressing this chair which has loose joints, specifically this one leg. As you can see, it's coming apart and really loose. All the other legs seem to be okay. Just checking. This chair is from a friend of ours who has a 6-piece set, and she doesn't want to replace all the chairs and is just looking for a quick fix. So keep watching and I'll show you how I address this one chair. Here's a closer look at the leg. As you can see, it's coming apart. I can hardly see any glue in that joint, to be honest. And then the back legs are connected through these screws which require Allen key. Not sure why they didn't glue those joints either. And then the seat is connected through screws from the bottom. Again, these are factory made chairs, so it is what it is. So first thing we're going to do is remove the back legs using an Allen key. As you can see, they've used machine screws to hold the joints together with a split ring lock washer. There's 4 of them, so let's get all 4 of them out. As I said, I'm doing this quick fix for a friend of ours. It's part of the chair is part of a set, so they don't want to buy a new set. So I'm just doing a quick fix for now until they have the resources to buy a brand new set of chairs. The seat cushion is held by 4 small screws from the bottom, from the rail, and they basically screw into the seat cushion. So we just have to take those 4 screws out to take the cushion off. With all that done, we can now pull apart the loose joints. As you can see, I can easily pull them apart with my hand. It doesn't seem like they used any type of glue in there for that joint. If you inspect it, well, maybe there was a little bit of glue there, but anywhere else I don't see any remnants of any glue used. So I guess we can clean that up, sand it down a little bit, and glue it back together. Just going to give it a quick sand. To be honest, doesn't really need it, but if you're going to go through this effort, might as well do it the right way. Going to be using type 1-2 wood glue for this because that's what I had on hand, although a regular type 1 wood glue would work in this case as well. Just spread the glue generously on both sides of the joints. I'm going to be using a couple of clamps to hold the joints together until the glue sets. With the glued joints held together with the clamps, we can continue to assemble the chair. As we saw earlier, the other joints on the chair are held together with these machine screws and a split ring locking washer. Use a right size Allen key to tighten the screws. However, this is going to take a long time and ain't nobody got time for that. So we're going to do a Allen key hack, put it in a vise, cut the top off, and then put the rest of it in a drill, and then use the drill to tighten these screws in. With everything glued and screwed back together, we're ready to put the seat cushion back on again. With all that done, we're ready to test it. Gonna sit on it, make sure the chair doesn't wobble. Takes my weight without breaking. I think we've done a good job. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.